What's going on? Just got my fork seals done. I'm at the shop right now. Well, there's the other side of the shop. So I'm about to go. They got a bunch of ooh, it's another Honda. They got a bunch of bikes there. These are actually all customer bikes, except for the one on the racks right there. I think those are like parts or for sale kind of thing, you know. So I am heading out now. I'm about to go for a show. Woo. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's listen to music real quick. Gotta have music, you know. Alright, music is on. So I'm just test driving it right now. Hopefully it's not leaking. I'll find out. I mean, when I press the brakes right now, it feels a little bit stiffer. I don't know if they adjusted it or not. I gotta adjust my preload again, my rebound. Cause I did adjust it through my. It's a little bit stiffer right now when I'm pressing the brakes. So I gotta play around with the preload, the rebound, and compression or compressor. I don't know what the fuck is the last one, but yeah, I gotta play around with that. Oh, it took me a while to actually get it to where I like it, or to where it's just right for me for my riding style for what I do. Gotta get going, man. I don't want my Honda to freaking go up in temperatures again. Yo, the temperature right now, it's 114. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon right now. Bro, it's fucking hot. My back is sweating, my face is sweating, my head is sweating, you know? Shit, my balls are sweating too. God damn, this is too hot. Let's press the brakes. They're kind of hard. Okay. Press it again. Okay. Okay, that's kind of hard. Hondas are so smooth, bro. Smooth. Bump, 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 bump. It's a good test right here. Alright, let's go. Alright, YouTube. I just want to say thank you again for watching my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Later.